DJMTV.
Hi guys, welcome to DJMTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. This is your first time of joining us, a very big welcome. Do not forget to go a step further, like, share this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Now let's take you straight up into the main news. Oga Tinubu, you go need to come outside come explain give Nigerians how you take dey get your money and how bullion vans take enter your compound for inside 2019 election. Na Ohanaeze ndigbo oga na talk this one. We still dey together here on top your ogbonge channel DJMTV Daily News Update. One ogbonge oga for Ohanaeze ndigbo socio-political organization wey dem dey call Chuks Igboegbu don come outside come talk say e get one thing wey everybody dey overlook since when Bola Ahmed Tinubu declare say he wan be president of the country, and a very important factor for anybody wey wan occupy political position for Nigeria. He don call Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu, wey be the leader of the All Progressive Congress APC, say make he come explain give Nigerians how he take dey make him money, which business na him dey do wey dey give am the kind money wey he get, which kind business na him dey do wey be like say for 2019 bullion van na carry money come give am for house. No be one, no be two, 3 bullion vans na enter a compound during election for 2019. Oga Chuks, wey be the former Deputy National Publicity Secretary of the Ohanaeze ndigbo organization, don come outside come say unless Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu clarify wetin make bullion van enter im house and how e take dey get im money, some kind things dey wey be like say no go make sense. So e say make Tinubu come explain wetin im dey do for a living. At least everybody know say okay, somebody wan come contest, he must not get something wey he dey do before now. Former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan na lecturer before, he get money. He first be deputy governor before he come become vice president, before he come become president. So he declare asset. So now we want make Bola Ahmed Tinubu come declare asset. Na wetin Chuks Igboegbu dey talk. See wetin Tinubu dey do for a living sef. Other people don even ask that question. Wey be like say the come like say dey control the whole of Lagos. One person go just sit down inside a house, dey control the whole Lagos. Bullion van go there. Nothing mean for bullion van to come person house. Wetin say Tinubu need to come tell Nigerians the source of his income. You still dey lock on to your darling channel DJMTV Daily News Update wey dey give ogbonge news and dey share them for inside Nigeria and all over the world. If you just enjoy us, abeg make you no forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. Oya make we go back to wetin we bin dey talk. So Oga Chuks Igboegbu, wey be former Deputy National Publicity Secretary of Ohanaeze ndigbo, don come out again with another bombshell gboza say Tinubu come tell Nigerians wetin you dey do for a living, wetin be the source of your bullion van, wetin be your handwork. We need to know wetin you dey do. Say Yoruba people, dem dey known for justice. The people wey be like say dem dey uphold truth. They say the West na citadel of justice. So this what Tinubu dey do, so we no understand, and he come for West. We no understand where for get this gene from. We say that they say person dey inherit character from him papa and mama. Say not sure say this one na Yoruba people na forget this one. Say because I hope say if na Yoruba gene wey dey known for equity and justice, he suppose know say because of equity and justice, the turn for Igbo man to rule Nigeria don come. Oga Igboegbu talk all these ones on top Oga Tinubu head when he hear say Oga Tinubu wan contest for presidency come 2023. Now but Oga Igboegbu na don blast Tinubu. Plenty people dey blast Oga Tinubu left, right and center. Nobody dey look back. But e come be like say many people never first reason this thing like say Oga Chuks just talk so. Because as Oga Chuks talk the matter, come like say people eye come open, poof, they can't get to understand. Say sure, man, I wait to. We never really ask this guy what he dey do. You know, say some kind of people like say they come out for presidency or whatever, when they not be governor before, you know, you not the political position before you dey vie for another one. Most of them dey into business, most of them are captains of industry, where they call it for English. Most of them get international affiliations, most of them get plenty companies everywhere. So you don't say all progressive Congress leader come outside come tell Nigerians wetin be your handwork, wetin you dey do, how you take dey get money. Oga Tinubu, you need to come tell us so, because we no wan call here say because they say declare your assets, because they talk the one wey not dey existent. Tell us now. In fact, now we wan decide now whether with your assets whether you go. Say because Yoruba people, they dey known for justice, equity and fairness, and by reason of justice and equity, e don reach turn for Igbo man to become president. This na still DJM TV Daily News Update. Since when Oga Chuks Igbenegbu talk this matter, many people don react to this thing when he talk. People come say wait, not true. They say whenever they reason this thing, we just dey reason the guy based on age, based on we say no, na APC guy, we not want anybody that vote from APC make all rule again. We dey just look some kind some kind nitty-gritty, some kind small things wey no really make sense. So whenever really reason say so wetin Tinubu dey do for a living sef. At 2019, na so bullion van enter a compound, 3 bullion vans. My brother, bullion van money no be small money. No be 1 million, no be 10 million, no be 100 million. That dey inside bullion van. Now for bullion van, 3 to enter person house. That person, him money long. You don't hear that song, my money grows like grass. But before your money go dey grow like grass, which ground you plant and put, which water you take dey water am. Na be wetin Oga Chuks don open people eye to come ask Oga Tinubu. And na wetin many Nigerians don begin dey ask and say, okay, bros, confess. Okay, no wahala. Some people dey actually dey reason you say, you go make good president, but you need to come tell us wetin you dey do for a living. Now, e get one support group wey dey come out dey campaign for Oga Tinubu. They call it Tinubu Support Management Council. They don come outside come talk say all these questions wey Nigerians dey ask Oga Tinubu say wetin be your source of your wealth, which one be say bullion van come enter your house for 2019, this your age matter, e no go work. Say all those ones na just distractions from the enemy. In fact, the leader of the Tinubu support group talk say all this one na trash from the internet. But like say people dey put together, and we no go elevate such conversation. Na wetin he talk. He even talk say everybody knows on the 29th of March 2021, Oga Tinubu celebrate his 69th birthday. So why people dey talk say Oga Tinubu don pass 80 years? They no even understand how people dey talk. Source of his wealth, wetin concern una with the source of his wealth? After all, as long as he no dey do anything wey dey bad, he don get too much money. He say make dem bring money come meet am for house for election day. Na bullion van go fit carry the kind money wey he want because of security matter. In fact, we no get time to dey answer some kind unnecessary questions. Many politicians shocktalize people. They say, wait, Oga Tinubu na 69 years. More leave the age matter first. Because we know say the thing changed that day for Google. Not be small. It changed like 2 times from 79 to 69. But more leave that matter first. What is this Ohanaeze ndigbo guy don't talk so? Na legit matter. Oga Tinubu, what do you do for a living? Now wetin Nigerians they ask Bola Ahmed Tinubu na be this. My country person, you still dey locked on to DJM TV Daily News Update. And on top this matter, what we don't carry consume. But they go really sweet us well if you go drop your comment on top of this matter what we bring up for the comment section for button. Thank you so much for staying with us till the very end of this video. Do not forget to go a step further if you've not done so. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, do not forget to like and share this video. Do follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Guess what, guys? From the 1st of August 2021, DJM TV offers you an opportunity to report your event from where you are on our channel. We call it Report Yourself to the World. You want to be a part of this great program? Then please click on our bio, send us a message, and we'll give you details on how to report yourself to the world. Till I come your way again with another exciting edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, I remain your host, Lawuru Favor.
Yeah.
DJ NTV. DJ NTV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ NTV. DJ NTV. DJ NTV. DJ NTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ NTV. DJ NTV. DJ NTV. DJ NTV.